Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore 100 plus stunning ceiling designs ideas that will transform your living room into a stylish and cozy sanctuary. If you're looking for inspiration to give your living room a makeover, you're in the right place. Your living room is a place where you relax, enjoy with your relatives and family members. The ceiling design plays an important role in creating the right ambience and mood in the living room. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing design ideas. Let's come to the point. Living room ceiling designs play a crucial role in enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of a space. They not only provide a functional purpose of covering the structural elements of a room, but also serve as an opportunity to add style, character, and a touch of luxury to the living area. From traditional to contemporary, there are numerous ceiling design options available to suit various preferences and interior styles. One popular ceiling design choice is the tray ceiling, which features a recessed central portion that creates a multi-level effect. This design adds depth and dimension to the room, making it feel more spacious and visually interesting. Tray ceilings can be further enhanced with the use of ambient lighting, crown molding, or decorative ceiling tiles. Coffered ceilings are another timeless option that exudes elegance and sophistication. They consist of a grid pattern of recessed panels, often with decorative molding or beams. Coffered ceilings add architectural detail and a sense of grandeur to the living room. They work well in both traditional and contemporary settings, depending on the materials and finishes used. For those seeking a more modern and minimalistic look, a sleek and smooth ceiling design can be achieved with a simple plaster or drywall finish. This approach creates a clean and seamless appearance, allowing other design elements in the room to take center stage. A smooth ceiling also helps to maximize the height and openness of the living space. If you're looking to make a bold statement, consider incorporating a decorative element into your living room ceiling design. This could be achieved through the use of intricate ceiling medallions, ornamental plasterwork, or unique lighting fixtures. Such additions can become a focal point and add a touch of glamour or artistic flair to the room. Furthermore, integrating innovative lighting solutions into the ceiling design can dramatically transform the ambience of a living room. Recessed spotlights, pendant lights, or cove lighting can be strategically placed to create different moods and highlight specific areas or features in the room. Lighting can be both functional and decorative, contributing to the overall aesthetic appeal. Ultimately, living room ceiling designs offer an opportunity to express personal style and elevate the visual impact of the space. Whether you prefer a traditional, contemporary, or eclectic approach, there are numerous design options available to suit your taste and create a captivating living room ambience. Here are some additional tips for choosing a living room ceiling design. Consider the size of the room. If your living room is small, you may want to choose a simple ceiling design that will not overwhelm the space. A coffered ceiling can be a good option for small rooms, as it will create the illusion of height. Consider the amount of natural light. If your living room receives a lot of natural light, you may want to choose a light-colored ceiling. This will help to reflect the light and make the room feel brighter. If your living room does not receive a lot of natural light, you may want to choose a darker colored ceiling. This will help to absorb the light and make the room feel cozier. Consider the style of your furniture. The style of your furniture should be a factor in your decision when choosing a ceiling design. If you have modern furniture, you may want to choose a modern ceiling design. If you have traditional furniture, you may want to choose a traditional ceiling design. Consider your budget. Ceiling designs can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. It is important to set a budget before you start shopping. Another popular ceiling design option is the vaulted ceiling. This design choice adds a sense of grandeur and spaciousness to the living room. Vaulted ceilings feature an arched or sloping design that follows the roofline, creating a dramatic and visually striking effect. They are commonly found in rustic or traditional style homes, but can also be adapted to fit modern and contemporary aesthetics. For a touch of luxury and opulence, coffered ceilings can be adorned with decorative elements such as ceiling medallions, rosettes, or intricate patterns. These embellishments can be made from materials like wood, plaster, or even metal, adding a sense of architectural elegance to the living room. Ceiling medallions, in particular, can be paired with chandeliers or pendant lights to create a stunning focal point. In recent years, exposed beam ceilings have gained popularity for their rustic and industrial charm. These ceilings showcase the structural beams of the building, providing a warm and inviting atmosphere. Exposed beams can be made of wood, steel, or even reclaimed materials, adding a touch of natural beauty and character to the living room. This design choice works well in farmhouse style or contemporary industrial interiors. Ceiling lighting plays a crucial role in accentuating the design and ambience of a living room. Recessed lighting is a popular choice as it provides a sleek and minimalist look while still offering ample illumination. Dimmable lights allow for control over the intensity of the lighting, creating different moods for various occasions. A statement chandelier or pendant light can also become the centerpiece of a living room ceiling design. Whether it's a modern and sculptural piece or a classic crystal chandelier, the right lighting fixture can add a luxurious and glamorous touch to the space. When choosing a chandelier or pendant light, consider the size, style, and height of the ceiling to ensure a harmonious visual balance. Ceiling colors and finishes can significantly impact the overall feel of a living room. Light-colored ceilings can make the space feel more open and expansive, while dark colors create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Glossy finishes can reflect light and create a sense of sophistication, while textured finishes add depth and visual interest. Lastly, incorporating skylights or large windows in the living room ceiling design can introduce an abundance of natural light, creating a bright and airy ambience. This not only enhances the overall aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to a healthier and more pleasant living environment. In summary, living room ceiling designs offer endless possibilities to showcase personal style and enhance the overall look and feel of a space. From vaulted ceilings to exposed beams and decorative elements to innovative lighting solutions, there are numerous design options available to create a stunning and captivating living room ceiling design. By following these tips, you can choose a living room ceiling design that will complement your style and budget. In conclusion, there are various ceiling designs that you can choose from to create the right ambience and mood in your living room. Choose a design that matches your decor style and personal taste. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.